Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for May. And this is the pole cam. This is a great event as per usual. We always go out to this event, always love going out to this event. We had a great mix of cars. The only drawback to this event was a little on the hot side this month. It was actually the hottest weekend of the month so far. Of the year so far. But anyway, we went out and took a lot of pictures and a lot of video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Keep these videos coming at you.
Watch out, they bite.
They do. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this edition of Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for May. It's going to wrap up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you'll consider dropping us a like or a comment, or share us around, or even subscribe to the channel. We're looking for subscribers. We're trying to get to 500 for our initial goal. Anyway, share it around to all your car people, even your non-car people. We don't discriminate around here. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I always say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. And we'll see you guys on the next one.